By staking on Duck Network, you can earn 6% daily return, and by minting, you can earn 4% daily return. Yes, today we're looking at a copy of BUSD machine, which is called Duck Network. Remember that those crazy gains come with crazy risks. So in this video, I will cover what is Duck Network? Should you invest in this project? My professional review of Duck. So here they have a quick guide, and if you already know about BUSD machine, then you know how it works. Stake BUSD and earn daily staking rewards in Duck token 4% per day. You can claim your Duck rewards anytime. You cannot unstake your stake BUSD. You will earn Duck tokens as a percentage of BUSD invested irrespective of the Duck price. Example, if you invest 100 BUSD, you will receive 4 Duck token daily. You have 2 options with your Duck tokens. You can sell them for BUSD, or you can stake them to earn more Duck tokens 6% per day. Duck staking is locked for 7 days. So they clearly copied the text too, but it's a fork, so I got no problem with that. Now whether BUSD machine is the first of its kind, I have no idea. But for the moment, I will call Duck Network a fork from BUSD machine. Let's explore the white paper. The Duck Network is based on maintaining the usefulness of our token. So your investment increases the greater the amount of Duck token in circulation. What is Duck Network? Duck Network is a project in the DeFi world developed in smart contracts under the Binance Smart Chain blockchain network. It is intended for investors looking for a way to profit with the least possible risk. Therefore, the Duck Network can be one of the best investment options since each investor has control of their investment at all times backed by the Duck Network token. No, there's a lot of risk when you invest in this type of project. Even BUSD machine knows that. Our strategies. Extend the Duck Network to other ecosystems, developing various innovative platforms and projects to be able to apply a real utility to the token Duck. Manage marketing strategies that can cover social networks and advertisements on the websites of dApps, Radars, Google, among other means. After strengthening the community, we will seek alliances with other strong projects and thus strengthen ourselves even more. The features. The Duck Network is based on the token Duck. This can only be purchased or mined via one or more deposits on BUSD. Other coins will be added in the future via the stake website. They can be exchanged for BUSD at any time. Duck has a total supply of 1 million, and the exchange value varies according to the amount of BUSD deposited and the amount of Duck in circulation. Its representation will be in USD, determined by the current value of the BUSD in the market. The usefulness of the Duck token will cause its value to increase over time. Preliminary fee structure for Duck Network. A marketing management commission of 3% on the amount of deposits in BUSD, 4.5% of revenue per stake for the administration of social networks. The social media thing is a little bit weird because they only have a Telegram group, but they will do some marketing on social media, but that counts as marketing for me. So if you ask me, this is just some revenue for the developers. An airdrop of 100 Duck is released automatically every 7 days for those who meet the challenges on the web. A total of 100,000 Duck tokens will be managed for airdrops, contests, and challenges that will be published gradually. 3% of the income will be destined to the dev for the development of future projects and platforms that will occupy the profit of the token Duck. Why is the project anonymous? So no KYC personalities get in the way of projects, and we believe Duck Network speaks for itself. By having a team that operates anonymously, even amongst itself, we can focus on providing the best experience for our users. That's because we believe the strength of Duck Network comes from what we build, which is an opportunity for investors to both automate and maximize the ROI of their holdings. Here on Telegram, so someone said that apparently BUSD machine is a fork from another project too. It's not surprising, but if you got the name of the original project, please let me know in the comments. On Telegram, Duck Network has a huge number of members, over 11,000. And here we got an information that no audit was made on Duck Network, but that it will be coming soon and will be made by Haze Crypto. Here on BSC Scan, we see that there are over 350 holders of the token Duck. Just keep in mind that it is a non-tradable token on the market. You must do everything directly on their website. Then here we see that most of the tokens are in the smart contract. That's good to know, but more than 7.6% in an individual wallet. Big red flag, it's a whale and certainly the founder of this project. He could dump the price of the token. So here, that's the chart of Duck Network, but as I said, it's not a tradable token. That's why we see this crazy price per Duck token of $95 million and the market cap at $3.1 trillion. It's completely false. Don't worry, you did not miss an opportunity to be a trillionaire. And the liquidity is around $1. This is normal with those types of projects like BUSD machine and Duck since they are not tradable on the market. That's why I can only rate this project from 1 to 6, including here the audit, KYC, the community, uniqueness of the project, the whales, and the domain name. So they get 1.5 points out of 6. This is clearly not enough to be considered a good project. The risk that you're taking by investing in Duck Network is very high, but that does not mean that you can't make money on this project. So should you invest in Duck Network? In my opinion, and keep in mind that this video is not financial advice, this project is very high risk and you could lose all your money by investing here. If you're okay, aware, and ready that you could lose all the money you invest in Duck Network, then this could be a place to play with your money. But if you can't take this risk, then please don't invest here. The actual price of Duck at the time of recording is at $0.35 with a total supply of 1 million tokens. If you would like to see new crypto projects reviews, please subscribe and like this video to support the channel. That's all for today. See you in the next one.